What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be doing an analysis on boom and crash and see what boom and crash has for us in store for this coming week. So right now I'm in the daily time frame and I'm looking at boom 500, and we're going to take a closer look to what happened last week and what happened to the previous analysis, so that we can know where to correct and know what to do better in this coming week, right? But before we start, if you are new to this channel, I provide trading education on this channel, and I help you guys in trading. So kindly click the subscribe button, like the video if you want to promote it so that more people can have the chance to be taught. And if you want to join our community, there's a Telegram link in the description box below, and you can also follow me on Instagram, right? So let's get right into today's business. I'm going to be focusing mostly on the daily time frame today because this is going to be a weekly analysis. This is going to be something that's going to happen over a couple of days. So we'll be checking the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame here and there for confirmation entries for those that have their notification bell turned on, that can see this video as quickly as possible and jump into the trades, right? So this is boom 500. This is a daily time frame, and this is what happened last week. We had predicted that we're going to face a bullish momentum, but unfortunately there was this resistance level that I totally missed, and we failed to keep going up to this targeted price level, and then we started to retrace back, facing this support zone. But once we reached this support zone, we had another bullish movement up to our targeted price point, but obviously all stop losses were hit by then, right? So what is happening with boom 500? Let's just get a look before we move on. What is happening with it? We can clearly see that it's respecting this and this and these three levels that we have here, and obviously now I'm now starting to look for short positions because that is what boom 500 has been respecting. So it's been bullish for the past 2 days. That is up to the point where it reached our resistance level, and now it's starting to plummet back down. So I want to take profit round about here and see if we break this level. I know we're now targeting again this level. So it's kind of ranging. It's kind of ranging in this level. As you can see, we are at a we are consolidating on one level. There's indecision in the market currently, but eventually I think we're going to break out and then just start shooting upwards, okay? And then start shooting upwards. But as for now, I'm mostly interested in this short, and let's see what happens, okay? So now taking a look to what happened with crash 500. With crash 500, we predicted that once we reach this price level, we are going to start plummeting following this trend line, right? And that's exactly what happened. We came back down to these levels that I had indicated, and it seems like price is even breaking that level, reaching or wanting to return down a little bit more. We have another key price level here, and then this one, then the last one, which is this. So currently, yes, here and there would expect a full pullbacks, but the momentum is definitely pushing down. The momentum is pushing down. We would expect to see some pullbacks here and there to this line, but eventually we are going down because there's a strong momentum. We got a series of bearish candlesticks, which means that the sellers are really kicking in, okay? And then taking a look at crash 1000, we had anticipated that would immediately go into we would immediately get into a buy. Yes, we did get into a buy. We've missed our take profit level here, and then we experienced this bearish reversal, and then price came back to hit our stop loss. But initially we had all this movement, but price failed to reach our price point. However, if you were trading smart, if you were trailing, you definitely exit within before the stop loss was hit, right? But let's see what's going to happen this coming week. We can clearly see that our resistance zone has been broken. This zone has been broken, indicating that we are now in a bullish momentum. But how then is this bullish momentum going to, how long is this bullish momentum going to last? That's the question, right? So I'm gonna remove all this, and then we can discuss on levels so that we clear. This is previous analysis, so I'm just gonna try and remove it. Clear illustrations, right? Okay. All right. So this is our chart. We're clearly coming from a from a floor right here, and price is now starting to push up. I can see a W formation here, so I'm expecting that we're going to break this level and we're going to target this level. But within this movement, yes, of course, we expect some retracements here and there, but the overall move will be a buy movement. So if you are subscribed, you'll be able to get this buy movement quite early. Then our target price would be this level, right? That was pretty much simple. Let's move on to the Boom 1000. Boom 1000 played exactly as we predicted. We had a drop as expected. Remember, this is the daily time frame, so this is a lot of money. We had a drop from our selling that we had indicated here. Price kept on dropping. We had a few retracements, but price then came back down to our levels, which is quite a good thing, right? But then the question is, where are we going this coming week? Where are we going to go this coming week? Let me see. Where are we most likely to go this coming week? So just like for Crash 1000, which is coming from the floor, Boom 1000 is sort of like coming from a ceiling and then starting to plummet down. So as you can see, we're this pivotal point right here, right? And price is failing to break this point, which means we are currently at this ceiling and price is currently reversing to this point. But what is most likely going to happen is, can you see this trend line? Let me just highlight this trend line for you guys. This channel, I mean, we have a nice channel right here, right? And already we can start seeing that price broke out of this channel, came back to retrace, right? But what is going to happen then in the coming week? Obviously, we now expect price to keep dropping downwards. Why? Because it clearly has failed to break this channel with our first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. still failing to break, which means the bearish momentum is quite a lot. So I'm gonna expect price to break this level first and then add more positions to reach this base. So once I'm here, I'm going to add more positions going downwards. Okay, so remember, I have a promotion that I run today. I'm going to announce the winner for the free VIP signals group. People that were screenshotting the video that they're watching and tagging me on Instagram, I'm going to announce the winner on Instagram again. So make sure you are following me on Instagram, seeing the updates of what is going to happen this week. If you really love this video and stayed up this long, kindly click the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, and support the movement. Till next time.